this this morning. Your Excellency, we are grateful that you could find time out of a very tight schedule to permit us to come this morning. Thank you very much. First is to congratulate you of your success in the last election and to observe that you hit the ground running. Congratulations, sir. So I want to observe that the primary purpose of government is security and welfare of the citizenry. And I'm sure that your government is committed to ensure this is achievable in Rivers State. And we, as primary critical stakeholders in the security industry and lead agency in internal security, are not only willing, but we want to assure you that we continue to partner and synergize with your government to ensure that that mandate that the Constitution has given you is achieved as the Chief Security Officer of the state. We, from time to time, as our father, we come with one request or the other to ensure that our security architecture, security logistics are functioning well. Please, when we come, kindly oblige us. It's not going to be a very long speech. It's not a speech day. In all, I say thank you very much. God bless you and strengthen you and give you the capacity to continue to deliver. Thank you very much, sir.
At this point, on behalf of the government and the good people of Rivers State, to welcome you to our dear state. Our state is one of the states in this federation, if not the only state that has one of the most wonderful relationships with security agencies. Our duty is to make sure we protect the life and property of our citizens. We still work to ensure that our people are protected. Development in this state cannot be achieved, or so far, even the ones that are recorded, we only achieve them because life and property in this state have been secured. In our own administration, we intend to do more for the welfare of our people. So I want to assure you, as a government, we will continue to work with you people, give you all the necessary support.